Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want emergency responders to access critical medical information from your iPhone even when it's locked, setting up medical ID is extremely important. In iPhone settings 2026, medical ID lets you store health details, allergies, medications, and emergency contacts that can save your life in an emergency. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to set up medical ID on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro, okay? So first thing first, I want you to go to Health app, okay? So let's, okay, so like this, so you have to get in the app first. So the Health app manages all medical and emergency information. So inside the Health app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, tap medical ID, okay, then this opens your emergency medical profile. So tap edit, so we have to get started first. So done. So here you can now enter your updates, your medical or update your medical details. Okay, so fill in important information such as medical conditions, allergies and reactions, medications, blood type, weight and height, pregnancy status, notes, and keep information accurate and updated. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching this video guys, and see you in the next tutorial.